I took a trip to Newport Beach, California to spend an afternoon with the owner of the electric bike company. We visited one of their flagship showrooms where he could show me the bikes they build.
So this is we have our big sign over there with our American, what is important is to try to get the American flag so people understand that we do like the majority of the stuff here.
Yes. All right, so in the showroom here, you have almost one of every single bike that you make here. So tell us, how many bikes do you make in total? And can you give us a walkthrough of all the bikes that you have here?
Sure, yeah, thanks. We have actually 8 models, and we have 7 of the models in this particular showroom. Yeah, we start off here with the Model S. So we call it Model S because it's a step-through style, and it's got the back rack already attached. You can have the battery case over here. This can go with this setup over here with the battery here, and you can also add batteries to the basket. But this can have a range up to about 200 miles. We have the puncture-resistant tires and the nice big chainring. We have the comfortable seats. We have the color display here, and we have this particular model comes with the shock absorbers. On this one, this is a classic. So it's a classic beach cruiser. It's called the Model C. So that's the classic sort of top tube. Also with the battery case in the back. This one you can choose this with the wooden fenders. This comes with the wooden chain guard with the black fenders. So this is more the classic style bike. This one's also, both of these they start at $19.99, so around $2,000. Here's one of our really fun.
This is so fun.
Yeah, this is our Model E. It's sort of the bike for everybody. It can be for guys or for girls, kind of a step-through style. A little bit, the battery case is hidden inside the top tube. One of the things that the electric bike obviously stands for is any kind of color combination or design that you like,
yeah.
And this shows that.
It really does, yeah.
Not only the colors, but you can mix colors, you can blend colors, you can match the colors with your chain guard, you can do a whole different color with your fenders that match the inliner. So this is the Model E. This one starts at, I think it's $18.99. Of course, with the custom colors and everything else, that price goes a little higher. And here's the Model R. So this is our rugged model. So it comes with the thicker tires, comes with suspension forks. It's more sort of like a bigger sort of hybrid style bike. You can go a little trails, but it's also it's upright seating position, and it's nice and comfortable. So that's our R. Here's our F. So it's the folding bike. So it's got a little folding mechanism where you fold the bike, the handlebars would fold, the pedals would fold in. And this is more for like the boating crowd or the RV crowd that really are like tighter for space, or you live in an apartment. So it's still got all our same technology with the integrated bearings and rust resistant and the color display and the puncture resistant tires, but it's smaller, a little bit more of a petite bike, it's a smaller bike that can fold and easy to carry around. It is a Model Y, and it's also it's like the Model S with a step-through frame, but it's got a smaller rack on here, and it's got the battery in the basket. Now the nice thing about that is it still just looks like a regular bike, and it doesn't compromise your steering. When you steer, the basket then doesn't move. So so you can put a lot of cargo in there, you put your backpack in there. All the wiring's hidden inside the frame, so you can actually have clear use of the basket. So this is our Model Y frame. This also starts at around about, I think, $1,700 or $1,800. Over here we have our Model X. So this is more like an entry-level bike, and this is more for kind of like a surfer guys. This is also under $2,000, and it has the battery available here in the middle. It's quite good for people that like rentals, e-bike rentals. So you can just take the battery off, put the other battery in. You're not going underneath, or it's really sort of approachable as far as changing out the battery. The only model we don't have here is the Model A, which is the most affordable bike. It's quite similar to the Model X, but it's got a bigger headlamp, and it's a little bit more plain. It's not as customizable as all our other models. So 8 models, you've seen 7 of them.
Very cool. Well, thanks for that tour.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, I think it's so neat that not only do you have the showroom out in front, but you've kind of also integrated this set of stations where builders and service can actually take place here. And clearly you guys all work as a team to get this whole operation up and running. If service is needed, it's right here.
Yeah, it's nice to see that they've got the exact tools, they've got all the settings, they've got the parts, they've got the hardware, and they've also got the expertise. So our expert bike builders show how they're building the bike, and they feel more comfortable that if something had to happen in the future, they could speak to somebody that's actually building their bikes. They know the settings, they know the tools, they know the parts, so they know in the future if they ever had a problem, it's going to be able to be dealt with from our part.
Incredible.